So I got a new watch from Touch of Modern, so let's open this up and check it out. I've been waiting on this one for a while now. This one was a good find. Packaging stuff. Boom. Got that ballast. Slide this out. Coming on there pretty tight. Look at that. Move this in for a bit. It's that Ballast 1903 automatic Valiant. It's looking pretty slick. This will be definitely a keeper. Actually, don't have any automatic watches, so this is the first. Pretty good size. I saw this in the green and the gold version, but I haven't seen this one. It was a really good deal on Touch of Modern. Whew. It's a nice looking watch. Can't have a good time without a good watch. Alright, just thought I'd bust this out and show people, update. Hope everyone has a good time.